Taking you from turn all the lights off, and pull the shades down, unplug the telephone. Don't answer the doorbell, no interruption, we spend the night alone. Pick out your birthday, whatever you want, it's on you. Please ask me. You don't have to say a word, darling, I already heard. Your body's been talking. Okay, that song was a song of Joe. It's called Peep Show, from the album My Name is Joe. It's a great song, great guitar. There's only 3 chords actually, so this should be a quick tutorial. So you start off with, on the 6th fret, with an E minor 7, and it sounds like this in the intro. Okay, so bass, and then stay on the 6th fret and play a B flat minor 7 bar, practically the entire 6th fret, but do not play this bottom string. Okay, so, and then we're gonna have a couple of hammer-on and pull-offs. Okay, 7, and then go up a string on the 8th, and then stay on the 8th but just up a string. Okay, so, and then a flat minor 7, and then only in the intro it goes back to a E flat minor 7. Okay, so, and then it starts with the song starts off with a chorus. So, and then you just arpeggiate those same strings. I mean those same chords. Now, when he starts off, or when he starts singing the actual verse, you still play the exact same chords, but when you play the A flat minor 7, instead of you want to play the first string, but to keep it a minor 7, you want to play this on the 2nd fret instead. So it will look something like this. And again, you guys can use whatever finger you want. This is how I usually play it. So it would sound something like this. Okay. Alright. And then when he ends the first chorus, I think, when he says, "Let's spend the night alone." So, let's spend the night alone. Before he goes back to the next verse, he goes, okay, so 2nd string, 2nd fret, then go to the 4th, and then back to the 1st fret on the 2nd fret, so 1st string, 2nd fret, so, okay, so it goes like this at the end. Don't answer the doorbell, no interruption, we spend the night alone. Break out your... I don't want to sing that part, but you know what I'm saying. Okay, so yeah, that's the entire song. 3 chords. Enjoy.